Hi, I am Neil Gupta and these are my colleagues Sudesh, Kishan and Nikita. We are from Institute of Hotel Management Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Today we are making mutton shammi in Rajgira and which is mutton keema and varai filled in Rajgira balls. The ingredients we are using today are varai, pureed tomatoes, roasted Rajgira flour, ghee, chopped onions, diced tomatoes, mustard oil, whole red chilies, bay leaf, panch foran, which is a mix of fennel seeds, methi dana, kalonji, cumin, and black mustard seeds. These are whole spices which contain star anise, cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, and cloves. These are dates, minced mutton, hung curd, lemon juice, salad, which is beetroot, carrots, and onions cut in batons. And for the spices, we have salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, sugar, jeera powder, garam masala, and tomato sauce. So first we'll be making the mutton keema and varai filling. For that, we'll add 2 tablespoons of pure desi ghee in a hot pan. Once the ghee sizzles, we'll add all our whole spices. Once the spices are aromatic, we'll add the chopped onions. And we'll let them cook till they're translucent. As you can see, our onions are now translucent. We will add our minced mutton and varai. Now we are starting with the dough. To make the dough, we'll add a little pinch of salt in roasted Rajgira flour and water as required. The dough should be soft. Once the dough starts coming together, we will knead it for 5 minutes. Now let's come back to our mutton. As you can see, the mutton has left its water. So now we'll add our ground spices. We will add 1 spoon of jeera powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and 1 spoon of garam masala. And now we'll drown the varai and mutton in water and let it simmer for a while till the time the mutton is cooked. We will add water and let it simmer for a while till the time the mutton is cooked. And at this stage, we will also add our pureed tomatoes. As you can see, our dough is now ready. It is soft and we will let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we'll make a tomato chutney. This is a traditional Bengali chutney which is tangy and sweet. To make that, we will first add mustard oil and burn it a little. Once the mustard oil is burnt, we'll add 2 whole red chilies and bay leaves and saute them till they're aromatic. Now we will add our panch foran masala. We'll add our dates and let them cook for a while. Now we will add our diced tomatoes, a little bit of salt, sugar and water, and we will reduce this for a while. As we can see, the chutney is now reduced. We will add 1 tablespoon of ghee, a little bit of tomato ketchup and a dash of lime juice. We will saute it for 1 minute and our chutney is ready. Now we'll go back to our mutton. All the water has been reduced from the mutton and the varai and mutton are also cooked thoroughly. Now we will keep it aside for cooling. Now we will make our saffron yogurt dip. For the dip, we'll add hung curd to a bowl, followed by saffron infused water, half tablespoon of salt. We will add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder half teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, and 3-4 grains of sugar. We'll thoroughly mix it till the time the hung curd is ready. Now as you can see, our saffron yogurt dip is ready. So now to make our Shammi kebabs, we will take a little bit of the Rajgira dough, shape it into a bowl, flatten it with our hands into a very thin chapati and start adding the mutton filling. Rajgira, also known as amaranth, holds cultural significance in various regions. It is often used in religious ceremonies and festivals, particularly in Hindu traditions. During fasting periods, such as Navratri, Rajgira is a popular ingredient in special dishes because it is considered a fasting-friendly grain. Rajgira in Varai is primarily grown in various states of India with a significant presence in regions like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and parts of Uttar Pradesh. Its cultivation and consumption are often associated with religious practices and traditions, making it an integral part of cultural and culinary landscape during fasting rituals. The mutton Shammi kebab, a popular dish in Avdi cuisine, is known for its rich and aromatic flavors such as garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. These spices have phytochemical properties. As we can see, our mutton Shammi is now ready. Now we have added some pure desi ghee for shallow frying, and till the time the ghee gets hot, we will make a salad. Now to make the salad, we will add baton cut beetroots, carrots and half moon onions which are already soaked in cold water. We will add some lemon juice, a little bit of salt and a dash of pepper. We will mix it all up and now our fresh salad is ready. Now we will shallow fry our Shammi in pure desi ghee till the time they are crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. Once they are brown on one side, we will flip them and cook it from the another side. As you can see, the mutton Shammis are now cooked. We will now remove them and plate. This recipe provides 462 kilocalories, 15 grams of protein, 25 grams of fat and 44 grams of carbohydrates. Rajgira or amaranth is a rich source of vitamin C and helps reduce cholesterol. It is packed with manganese, which is important for brain function. Varai is a gluten-free and good source of antioxidants. It is easy to digest and low in calories. This millet curbs your hunger pangs for long and keeps you full.